Alright guys, so anyways, I washed this gear off pretty intensely with just, I like scrubbed it in some WD-40 and PD Blaster to get like most of the stuff loose. And I wiped it down with a paper towel. And also hit it with this little wire brush to clean it up. And then I took it to the sink and washed it off with some soap and water. And now it's basically all clean. So, gonna try and clean that area up a little bit so I can weld onto it, or try to weld to it at least. I'm not sure if I can actually weld to this gear or not, but we're gonna find out. So I tried to hit it with a grinder and that didn't really work, so I just hit it with some sandpaper, and it kinda worked, but not really. So yeah, that's all I got right now. Well, maybe I shouldn't be putting sunglasses on with my helmet. I'm gonna try to get the best angle I can. Plus I'm also gonna tack it right here real quick, so it stops falling down. So obviously it's not welding great because there's still grease and stuff on it, but doing alright for what it is. Not the best, but whatever. We'll see what I can do with it, but I think it looks pretty cool. It's different. I saw a little one on Pinterest, so I just figured I'd make one.